Hello Metricoolers, welcome back to our course. In today's video, I am going to start from the very beginning and show you how you can create your very own Metricool account, as well as how to connect your various social media platforms to our tool. There will also be timestamps in the description box so that you can easily refer back to any part of this video, and that makes it easier for you. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started into the video. So here we are on the Metricool Create an Account page, and it is going to simply ask you, how do you want to log in? So if you were to already have an account, you would go in through this page and you would put in your email, your password, and then go into Metricool, or you could connect with Facebook or connect with Twitter. So because we are starting from scratch, I do not have an account for now, so we're going to hit Create Account. And this is going to be the page that it takes you to. On the left-hand side, you'll just have a little bit of information about what Metricool is, and then on the right side, you will be able to create your free account, which is free forever, no credit card required. So all you're going to need to do is put in your email and write your password. And then you will need to check this by registering box, and then, you can click let's go, or you can also choose to connect with Facebook. I am just going to do email and password, and then, we can get started. So once you have created your account, you're going to see this specific page, which is going to ask you, what accounts you want to connect. So it's going to give you at the top, what's a brand? And it's just going to give you a brief description of what we consider a brand. And then once you see the bottom, you'll see all of the connections. So with Metricool, you can connect your web, you can connect Facebook, you can do a page or a group. It is important to note that per brand, it is either a page or a group, not both. You can do an Instagram account, you can do Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok. You can do both personal and business on TikTok. A Google business profile, YouTube, Twitch, Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, or Data Studio. And with all of these, most of these are free with the exception of LinkedIn and Data Studio. With LinkedIn and Data Studio, you will need our premium accounts. With LinkedIn, it will just be starting at the Pro, and with Data Studio, it'll be starting at the Team account. So that is something to keep in mind when you are creating your account so that you can make that decision if you do want LinkedIn or Data Studio. I will also just briefly go over on the left-hand side. So connections is obviously where you connect all of your profiles. For here, you can click into name and picture. So when you go into name and picture, you will be able to change your brand name as well as select a picture from your connected accounts. And this would obviously look different once you have those accounts connected. And then lastly, on this left-hand tab, you will have team access. Again, this is only if you have a Metricool Team Premium account. So if you have one of those, you would be able to give users access, and you would just input their emails and then give them whatever access you want to give them. So that would be analyst, manager, or editor, which you can see right here. But for the purposes of this video, we are just going to go right back into connections, and I'm just going to briefly show you what each connections page will look like. So for example, for connecting the web, you can do it in 3 different ways. So you can do it via WordPress, you can do it via JavaScript, or you can do it by a tracking pixel. You would select which one you want to do, and then it's going to give you further information, which will also give you a tracking code. You would verify that and then confirm, and easy as can be to connect the web. Then for Facebook, you will want to make a decision on if you want to do a page or a group. So for example, I will do connect page. It's automatically going to take you to Facebook, and it's going to give you a permissions page. So here it's just going to tell you what Metricool is requesting to do, and then you would just hit continue, and that'll give you the permissions that you need. And once you head back, you would see that that page is connected. Then for Instagram, it's also similar. So with Instagram, you need to have a Facebook page associated in order to connect Instagram. This is required. So you will need to make sure that your Instagram account is professional. So that would be a business or a creator account. And then that Instagram account needs to be properly linked to a Facebook page. So when we click continue, it's again going to take you to Facebook, and so you're going to want to hit continue. And then from here, you'll see that it'll pull up an account that you would like to connect to this brand. So you'll just want to make sure you select the page that you want to associate. So you select that, and then your Instagram is now connected. And As you can see, your Instagram and your Facebook are connected automatically as well. So sometimes it is easier to just connect on Instagram first. And then the rest of them are also pretty similar. So like with Twitter, again, it's going to open up Twitter. You can just sign in and authorize Metricool to access your account. And the process is going to be fairly similar for most of these social platforms. We can do Pinterest, LinkedIn, TikTok, Google Business Profile, YouTube. It shouldn't take you too long to do every connection. You can also go ahead and easily disconnect your accounts. So for example, here it's just asking if I want to disconnect the Facebook page. So I hit yes. And as you can see, Instagram was disconnected automatically as well because of that account association. Now that I've shown you how to connect those accounts really easily, I am also going to show you how you can use the free code that we're providing, which is try free. And that will give you 30 days of any Metricool premium account. So this is a great opportunity if you are looking to get that LinkedIn access or that Data Studio access. But here you'll want to go up here to the Become Premium button. Go ahead and click on that, and it is a fairly simple process. So it's going to take you to our subscription page. You're going to want to choose what currency you would like. So you can do it in euros or USD. I'm going to pick USD. And then you can click the billing cycle you would like as well, so annually or monthly, as well as your subscription. So for example, I would want to do annually, and let's say I want to do Pro, which is 10 brands, 2,000 scheduled posts per month, and etc. So here it'll break it down for you as to how much that cost would be billed annually and then versus billed monthly. So you can go ahead and, see what would work best for you and your budget. Then you're going to want to go down here and you'll be able to put in your billing information. So for example, we will obviously want to look for the United States. So we'll click the United States, put in your company, your address, and then it will also give you a payment method option. So you can do a credit card or you can do PayPal, PayPal Link, or Pay Faster with Link. And then over here, you'll see what that yearly price would be. So if you were to do a discount code, you can go ahead and type in that discount code. So you'll see try free, and then it'll show a check mark right here. It says no amount will be charged for 30 days, and you click apply, and then, you can click on upgrade. So you can automatically add in that credit card, but you won't be charged for 30 days so that you can try that premium subscription. Now that we have the basics of creating an account and connecting all of your social media platforms down, we can go ahead and get started into the different functionalities of Metricool. In the next video, we are going to be talking about how you can analyze all your metrics for your social media platforms, as well as how you can analyze your competition, which is very valuable. Don't forget that if you would like to try Metricool Premium, you can use the code TRYFREE, and that's going to give you 30 days free of any of our premium plans. See you in the next slide.